take a look at a couple of examples. What is the place value of the digit 3 in this number? 532,155. So first, let's find the 3 and we'll underline it. And let's find the place value of the 3 starting on the right. So ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. So since our 3 is in the 10,000s place, the value of this 3 is going to end up to be 3 times 10,000, which equals 30,000. So the place value of the digit is equal to the value that that digit has in its place. So since the 3 is in the 10,000s place, it has a value of 3 times 10,000, which is 30,000. In this question it says, what is the place value of 2 in this number? So let's first find our 2. We'll underline it right there. And let's work on finding the place value of that 2. Starting from the right, I have my ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place, 100,000s place, millions place, 10 millions place, and 100 millions place. So since my 2 is in my 100 millions place, in order to find its value, I need to take the 2 and multiply it by 100 million. And so 2 times 100 million equals 200 million. Make sure I have enough zeros here after my 2. 200 million.